Good morning students. I am Dr. Deepti Khare from SIRT College Bhopal. In today's chemistry class, we are going to study lime soda process. In previous class, we have discussed about the type of lime soda process and their differences. Here we have seen that lime soda process and its basic principle as we have studied earlier. Here, let us discuss about the cold lime soda process. As we know, the basic principle of lime soda process is to convert all the soluble impurities present in hard water into insoluble precipitate by the addition of lime and soda. That is the basic principle. Here the addition of lime and soda is done in calculated amount so that they react with the soluble impurities and convert them into precipitate. That precipitate is of magnesium hydroxide, calcium carbonate. Here let us discuss about the cold lime soda softener. This softener is used for the conversion of hard water into soft water. In this process, as its name clears that is cold lime soda process. Cold lime soda process means there is no heat involved. Here we are using water at room temperature and we are converting that hard water into its hardness into precipitates by the addition of lime and soda. In this process, as we know, in cold conditions reaction is very slow and the precipitate form is very fine. So we have to add here a coagulant. That coagulant helps the fine PPT to convert into coarse PPT. In this diagram, we are having an inner chamber having two openings. That is the inner chamber. That inner chamber is reaction chamber. In this inner chamber, there are two openings. One is for hard water and other opening is for the addition of lime, soda and coagulant. That lime, soda and coagulant when reacts with hard water, and here a stirrer is also working in it. That stirrer used to mix all the hard water and lime, soda and coagulants into correct proportion, and rate of the reaction increases in this case. After the complete reaction, the hardness causing impurities which are in the form of insoluble precipitate get converted into precipitate. This precipitate is of calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. Here we are seeing from the inner chamber when water after reaction comes out, here due to precipitate and its gravity, it is heavy in mass, that precipitate accumulate at the sludge outlet where we can remove it from the bottom. Water which is free from sludge, having some minute particles of sludge remaining in it, are removed by the wood fiber filter. In the cold lime soda process, we are using a filter that is wood fiber filter. That is very important as it ensures the complete removal of the sludge. After passing water from that wood fiber filter, we get soft water from the upper end and we remove it from here. This process involves the water having residual hardness of 50 to 60 ppm. That is also a much larger amount of hardness present in water. So this water is not as much as useful for the boilers. That amount of 50 to 60 ppm hardness causes very harmful effects in the water. So we are using hot lime soda process in comparison to cold lime soda process at much higher rate. So for today, that is the end of our topic. In the next class, we will discuss about the hot lime soda process. Good day.